I'm Shanai. In this video, I'm going to share one of the Chinese stir-fry technique, water fry, and how to make omega-3 6-9 balanced garlic oil by the method cold infusion. Water fry is suitable for leafy vegetables. If you use other stir-fry technique, the order is oil, ingredient, water, and the order of water fry is water, ingredient, oil. What are the good things about water fry? No smoke generated by heating oil. Nutrient loss is reduced, and less oil is needed. Let's get started. Now make garlic oil. Nutrient in garlic will be damaged over high heat, so cold infusion is a better approach. Mix 2 parts of flaxseed oil, 1 part of olive oil, and 1 part of grapeseed oil, so omega-3 6-9 is balanced in the garlic oil. Minced garlic is easier to release aroma and nutrient into the oil. Just leave the jar in room temperature for 6 hours for infusion and then store it in the refrigerator. The cooking time for vegetable in water fry is different, depends on their textures. Cut lettuce and Napa cabbage into pieces. Pluck kale and break into smaller pieces. Now water fry kale. Preheat a wok over high heat for 5 seconds. Bring a cup of water into a broil. Add kale, cover the wok. Cook for 8 minutes. Because the leaves are tough, it's very important to turn to medium-low heat now. I will show you why very soon. And there is a tip that keeps the leaves green all the time. Do not cover the wok twice. When time is up and cover, add salt and garlic oil and toss for 5 seconds. I cooked the kale over medium-high heat, and it was too high. For Napa cabbage, I will cover for 2 minutes over medium-high heat because the leaves are medium tender. For lettuce, I will not cover at all because the leaves are very tender. Alright, that was Chinese stir-fry technique, water fry. I hope this video is helpful to you. In next video, I will share the most frequently used fry technique, slippery fry, as in beef stir fry. I'm Shannon. See you next time.